I got a lot to endure, there ain't no stopping the storm. Homie, the top is it warm, so chill. I think I need my light bulb fixed. That's what lately I ain't been getting hyped on shit. Life's a journey, you gotta find your niche. I'm leaving this tight space because I don't fit, and I'm moving away. My whole life I'ma start from scratch as an artist in trap.
What is up, guys? So today is a phenomenal day. The weather is absolutely amazing. As you can see, I've got the front bumper off, and I also already did on the screws and all of that. So we're gonna be doing HIDs for my mom. This is her car and everything. It already had HIDs at first, but we're gonna upgrade to the HD series, well, bolt series rather, for the HIDs. These are to be a lot brighter. I had the 35 watt versions at first, so I'm gonna go ahead and do our 55 watt conversion since the factory was already 55 watts. Hopefully it doesn't melt the lens or whatnot. I'm definitely hoping it doesn't do that. So we're gonna monitor this, you know, over the course of 2 months or whatnot, and we're eventually gonna retrofit HID projectors here and here, just like in the other cars. I was working on this chassis ground because that's where I had my negative for the wire harness. This happened. The bolt just snapped. So if you guys know any solution to how to fix this, just leave a comment and I'll try to fix that somehow. Might just move the ground over right here, seeing as that's the nearest bolt. Looks like a 10. Yep. Actually, that's not a good enough ground. Let me know what you guys think about this being the chassis ground. I don't know how that looks right here, but I think that's a good temporary solution. All right, so the best way to get these headlights is from underneath here, or you can go through here maybe. Undo this connector. Headlights and everything. These are our bulbs. Put these to the side. Let's see what else is in here. All right, so we have our instructions and we have our ballast and igniters, zip ties. All right, and look how this is painted gold. This is just high quality, a lot better than what I previously had in here. So let's get to installation. So the best place I can see to mount this headlight, we're gonna avoid that mess that we had with this side, as you guys saw in that previous clip. So I'm gonna apply this here, pull this side off. So the best place I saw was like right underneath the headlight. There's enough area here where I can just place it and have enough clearance and still be able to wire it up nicely. All right, so first things first, let's go ahead, mount the headlight up. So, oops, I need to take this off. Duh. Alrighty. Stick it in, rotate it to the right orientation. So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our igniter and we're gonna plug this one into here, twist it that way. Then we're gonna take this one, orientate it right, close that. Then these are gonna plug into our ballast. So we're gonna take our factory connector, plug it into this one. So I'm gonna test this out real quick. Let's go ahead and test this, guys, see if it works. So no, it's not working right now. If I flip it. All right, and there it goes, it's on. This is relatively simple. Just look at it. Perf.